Inverting amplifiers. Aim: to design an inverting amplifier using op-amp 741 IC. It is the circuit diagram of an inverting amplifier configuration. The positive input is grounded. A feedback network composed of resistor R1 and R2 is connected between the inverting input signal source and amplifier output node respectively. The negative voltage gain implies that there is a 180-degree phase shift between both DC and sinusoidal input and output signal. The gain magnitude can be greater than 1 if R2 is more than R1. The gain magnitude can be less than 1 if R1 is more than R2. The inverting input of the op amp is at ground potential, although it is not connected directly to ground and is said to be at virtual. Apparatus required for inverting configuration: breadboard, CRO, function generator, BNC, DC power supply, cutter, resistor, and multimeter. The gain for inverting configuration is minus RF by R1.
Good morning friends, today we are here to design an inverting amplifier using an op-amp. For this, we need a breadboard, a 741 IC, a 1 kilo ohm resistor and a 500 ohm resistor. This is how you design it. For this, you need to connect a 741 IC like this. Now connect terminal 3 to ground. Now connect a 500 ohm resistor to terminal 2 of the IC. Now connect RF equal to 1 kilo ohm to terminal 2. Now we know these are all in series, these are all connected in series, and these are all connected are in series. Now connect plus VCC to terminal 7. Now connect ground here. Then connect negative VEE to terminal 4 of the IC. Then connect positive of Vin to terminal 2 and its negative to ground. Now connect channel 1 of CRO to terminal 2 so as to get the input waveform from channel 1 and its negative to ground. Now connect channel 2 of CRO to terminal 2 using a BNC so as to get the output waveform from channel 2 and its negative to ground. This is the output of inverting configuration we designed. As we can see, peak to peak voltage of channel 1 waveform, that is the input, is approximately 14 volts, and peak to peak voltage of channel 2 waveform, that is output, is approximately 26 volts. So the practical gain is approximately 1.85 and the theoretical gain is 2. Now we are going to perform inverting amplifier using op-amps in multisync. Place 741 IC from the place analog shortcut present over there to in the center of the screen. Now plus VCC and negative VEE and connect them to 7 and 4 terminal respectively. And change their values to 15 volt respectively. Terminal 3 is non-inverting node of 741 IC. For inverting configuration, this node is grounded. Here it is grounded. Take two resistances R1 and RF. Change the value of R1 to 500 ohms. And RF is 1 kilo ohm only. R1 is connected to terminal number 2 directly. Terminal number 2 is known as inverting terminal of the 741 IC. Now connect the other resistance RF between inverting terminal, that is 2, and the output terminal, that is 6. Now take a function generator to provide Vin at the inverting terminal of the 741 IC, and the negative terminal of function generator is grounded. Now take a CRO and put it across the output terminals of 741 IC. Terminal of CRO channel A is grounded. Channel A here shows us the output of 741 IC. Channel B is connected to the input of 741 IC, that is Vin, so as to show us the input waveform of 741 IC, and the negative of channel B is connected to the ground. Now set the frequency of function generator to 1 kHz and the amplitude to 3 Vp. Now start simulation and double click on the oscilloscope to get the output. Now the upper waveform shows the input and the latter waveform shows us the output, and the output, as we can see, is with 180 degree phase shift with respect to the input, and the gain here, as we can see, is 2.